How to find your OBS video recordings. If you want to find your OBS video recordings, maybe you've recorded multiple videos and games onto OBS Studio and you want to find the location or the folder, the destination folder where it saved those recordings. This is different on both PC and like Mac and Windows, but the way to find them is just the same. You open up your OBS Studio and from the top left of the menu you can see File option. Go to File and go to the option called Show Recordings, and as and when you do that you'll be able to see a folder called OBS where there will be all of the saved formats, streaming and all the recordings that you've saved onto it, and you can access it and remove it if you want to. So I hope the video helped you out as to how you can find your OBS video recordings. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon as always in the next video.